Hello, poker enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for tournament players, mastering starting hands from the small blind in no-limit Texas Holdem. Understanding this can mean the difference between an early exit or having a deep run, so let's get started. The small blind is unique. You're one seat away from the dealer button, which means you'll always be out of position post-flop. Being out of position means acting first, giving your opponents a significant advantage. Sure, you get a discount to enter the pot, but don't let this tempt you into playing weak hands. In the small blind, stick to strong hands. High pairs like jacks, queens, kings, and aces are your bread and butter. High-suited connectors like ace-king or ace-queen suited are also powerful. They offer great potential for strong post-flop hands, especially flushes and straights. Marginal hands like lower pairs or suited connectors are trickier. They can be playable, but you need to consider factors like your stack size, the tournament stage, and your opponent's tendencies. It's often a balancing act between potential value and risk. Folding in the small blind can often be your best move. It may not be exciting, but folding mediocre hands pre-flop saves you from tough spots later on. Remember, in tournament play, survival is key, and every chip counts. Your small blind strategy should evolve throughout the tournament. In early stages, you can be a bit more conservative, while later stages might require more aggression. Always keep an eye on your opponents. Adapting to their play is essential. For the experienced players, bluffing or stealing blinds from the small blind can be effective. This requires a good read on your opponents and the right table dynamics. Be cautious though, these moves are risky and need a solid backup plan. To wrap up, remember, position is key and hand strength is crucial. Be aware of your opponents and adapt accordingly. Practice disciplined hand selection and you'll see improvement in your small blind play. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more poker strategy content. Got any questions or experiences to share about playing from the small blind? Drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more poker insights. Until next time, good luck, and I look forward to seeing you at the tables.